this is Stacy. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the qualifiers some and any. We use them when we do not know the exact amount or the exact number of things that we are talking about. We usually use the qualifiers some and any with countable and uncountable nouns. Let's take a look at how to use some. We use some with countable and uncountable nouns. What do you mean by countable nouns? For example, I have 5 friends. As you can see, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friends. In other words, countable nouns are nouns that you can count. So when we talk about uncountable nouns, probably water. You cannot say 1 water because water itself is uncountable. Now let's go to my examples. First one is, there are some oranges on the table. As you can see here, some is followed by a countable noun. Like what I said earlier, when you talk about the quantifier some, or when we use it in a sentence, we do not know the exact number of things that we are talking about. Now let's go to the second example. I have some money. Okay, money is an example of uncountable noun. So in this case, we could use some for the word money. Let's take a look at the next use of some. Earlier, my examples were all in positive sentences. But for the second one, we use some for questions when we are offering or requesting something. For example, would you like some apples? So in this case, as you can see, I use some together with a countable noun. But for the meaning, since it's a question, would you like some apples? In other words, I can use some in questions when I am offering something. Did you get it? Now let's go to the next example. Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? So in this case, I use some together with an uncountable noun, which means I'm requesting for something. We use some with countable and uncountable nouns in positive sentences and questions only when you are offering or requesting something. So now let's continue. Let's take a look at the uses of any. As you can see here, we can use any for negative sentences and questions. Okay, now let's go to the first example. She doesn't have any money. As you can see here, this is a negative plus any. And the next word is money. Money is an example of uncountable noun. Now let's go to the second example. Does she have any sisters? Like what I said earlier, we use any for questions. Like this one. Does she have any sisters? So any plus a noun, which is a countable noun. Did you get it? I think that's all for today. I hope you learned and enjoyed watching my video. I'll be back soon. Bye!